you said after watching our last video where I asked, what do you want to see? More like business stuff and day-to-day operational duties, or more like riding the skateboard and checking out the Gold Coast and stuff like that? A lot of people said just do both. So today we're gonna go out and film some riding stuff, so stay tuned. What's going on, mate?
Oh, not too much. Just getting ready for today's shoot.
You got lots of stuff everywhere.
Yeah.
We're shooting this on a Canon G7X. This is one of the first vlogging cameras I've got, and it's good because I can see my face up there, unlike the Sonys, which you can't. But we've got a big day planned. Actually, we're teaming up with some folks, and we're going to make some videos of riding the Raptor. So yeah, we're going to start filming a little bit later in the afternoon, so I'll probably do a bit of vlogging about getting ready. I've got to change the wheels on the Raptor 2 because they're a bit dirty and we want it to look really super nice for this video. So I'll show a little bit behind the scenes. Okay, I think I need to give this a little bit of a clean. You can't make a nice looking video with a dirty skateboard. Filthy. Let's do it. Some freshies. There you go, some fresh shoes. I'm gonna put some of the new 97mm R-Spec Ghost wheels on the Raptor 2. Okay guys, there we have it. Raptor 2 with 97mm R-Spec Ghost wheels. Let's check it out. Bit of a tank. Yeah, beastie. Okay, that was pretty quick too, only a few minutes. One clean Raptor 2 ready for a photo shoot. Okay, just giving the Raptors a little bit of a clean up. They've got fresh shoes on, and now they're having a little bit of a charge before we head out and do some riding. What have we got in here?
Why are you finding wheels?
Well, because there's 4 of us today, and I've only got 2 Raptors. Raptors are really rare in the wild, so we're going to be pushing today, folks. Bearing spacers, I do need that. R-Spec front wheels. Trucks and wheels. Bearings and spacers. Heavy. Definitely got some trucks, which is good. Perfect. A truck set already made. These are not truck bolts, but that's all we got. Okay, this really don't build skateboards like this at home, kids, but it's not bad. It'll work. Now, get some inertia wheels on these things. There we go. Nice little cruiser. Should be fun. Ah, it's missing one thing. There we go. This is what you do when you don't have enough electric skateboards. You just skate.
How's your trip been?
Dude, it's been great.
Amazing.
Yeah,
We love it here.
awesome.
Say hello.
Gold Coast.
Don't jump on anyone.
Hello.
Luna's such a good name.
Yeah, I've just put some fresh shoes on them, just so they look shiny and stuff. Look.
Wait.
The second edition of, they call it Raptor. There was a Raptor 1,
It's
there's
a
a
good
Raptor
name.
2.
I like the
Yeah.
the vibe is like a you know.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's a bird of prey,
Yeah.
and it's like the fastest electric skateboard, a production electric skateboard.
I saw that on one of the videos
Yeah.
I saw.
I think that basically wraps it up. Do you have any questions about this general plan?
What is like the mood of the brand, I guess? The
Yeah.
vibe or
Weirdly enough, this annoys everyone about me, but I love working spontaneously. Just
same, I'm the same way.
it's just
Yeah.
if things are planned out too long, I just get so frustrated. It's like, but we could have done this like already.
Yeah.
Just
Luna. You're a twit.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about the dog now.
Yeah, lovely.
Let's go on.
take your best shot.
It's heavy, right?
Yeah.
Getting used to it, I reckon the best thing you should do is just stand on it a little bit. It makes the wheels turn, so try that now. It won't go anywhere.
Go this way.
Yeah, see, it's actually, this one's set up for my weight.
How is it, man?
It's
Different.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it'll go forward a little
Push
bit, but I'll stop
forward,
it.
it like it really gets you going, you know?
Yeah.
Kinda makes you-
Yeah, you gotta lean forward. Yeah.
So if I go like that, it's fast.
Yeah.
I'll keep going slow for a little bit.
Yeah, you should.
All the way there. Now, and you can also put the brake on really gently. Look at this, see how it's only gently. Now let go of me. And I'm gonna keep the brake on. So the brake's still on really slightly. I'm gonna slowly leave the brake off. Okay, there's no brake, and I'm gonna put it on again now, ready? See? Okay, so when you're doing it yourself, you can control that.
A spider.
So many spiders.
Yeah.
Is it dangerous?
Some of them are, yeah. Yeah, just gotta be careful.